Okay, so let's talk about figuring out what gear ratio you have when your rear end is together. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get your vehicle set up on a lift, a set of jack stands, make sure it's safe, make sure you're in neutral. Hopefully you have a posi-traction rear end where both of the tires spin. And that's going to be kind of key. Let's just say you've got a posi. This is what we're going to do. Okay, so I put my piece of tape at 6 o'clock on my tire. I put a piece of tape at 6 o'clock on my drive shaft. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my drive shaft clockwise and I'm going to count the turns. So I've got 1, 2, 3 right there. See where my tape is? It's not quite all the way. Now I'm going to keep turning until I get to my 6 o'clock position. Let me just be over here like this. And boom. There it is. So now that's at 6 o'clock. My tape is right here. So I've turned 3 1/4. So 3 1/4 or 3.25 turns to 1. That makes it a 3:25 ratio. That's all there is to it.